Using bleach for mopping floors, the right way.
Hello, everyone. Today we're going to discuss a practical yet essential topic: how much bleach should be used when mopping floors. Correct usage of bleach not only ensures proper sanitation, but also safety for everyone in the household.
Why use bleach?
The reason we use bleach is because of its potent disinfecting properties. Bleach is highly effective in eliminating bacteria, viruses, and other microorganisms that can pose a risk to health.
Preparing the bleach solution.
Getting the right concentration of bleach is critical. Too little, and it won't effectively disinfect. Too much, and it can damage your floors or pose a safety risk. Here's how you do it. For general floor cleaning, use a ratio of 1/2 cup of bleach to 1 gallon of water. If you're dealing with a situation that requires a stronger disinfectant solution, such as a known illness in the home, you can increase the concentration to 3/4 cup of bleach per 1 gallon of water.
Safety precautions.
Using bleach requires some safety precautions. Always wear protective gloves and ensure the room is well ventilated. Never mix bleach with other cleaners, especially those containing ammonia, as it can produce harmful gases.
Mopping process.
To mop your floor, soak your mop in the prepared solution, then wring it out until it's damp, not dripping. Mop your floor as usual, but remember to let the floor air dry. The bleach needs time to work its disinfecting magic. That's it. Now you know the right amount of bleach to use when mopping your floors, as well as the safety precautions to take. We hope this video has been informative and helpful for you. As always, cleanliness is next to godliness, so keep those floors sparkling.